And here it is. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to say that if you're interested, all my socials are linked below. Anyways, keeping on to the theme of my last video, today I'll be making crumpets. I believe there's like 21 and then you get 22 when you do the hack. Anyways, I will be doing a special 1K video, so comment down below your questions. You will have a chance to be mentioned in the video if I do use your comment. Anyways, this video took me so long to edit, so I hope you guys enjoy. Anyways, let's just get started making crumpets. Okay, so in every hack, I'm going to show you like the two things you need and then the crumpet. This is a spa themed one and it's adorable. Then here's the next one, it's this toy one. Comment down below if you want to know what things are, but here's the third one. Then moving along, we have this super cute phone one. You also have this like golfing one. I don't know. Then you also have this super colorful one, which I love. Then you have this one, which is super cute. Then here's the things for the eighth one, and here's what it looks like. Okay, so here's the things you need for this one, and this is the robot. Then moving along, we have this one, and it's super cute. Okay, anyways, here's the next one. This one's adorable. Anyways, we're going to be making them in the background, but anyway, comment down below if you want me to do a video of finding them around the map. Anyways, you have this poop one. Then, keeping along to the theme, the next one is this like sloth. I'm sorry this video is kind of fast-paced, this took a lot of editing, and this is the best I could do right now. Anyways, here's the next one, it's super cute. Then, this one's also one of my favorites. I also really like the pineapple. This one's also kind of cute. Moving along, we also have this one, which is super adorable. Okay, so here's the second to last one. Then, of course, here's the last one, which is honestly one of my favorites. Okay, guys, so basically, I'm going to try my best to explain. Basically, as you add crumpets to this thing, you get something else. As you can see, I do it slow with you guys so you can see everything that comes out. You end up getting this super cool like camper, a dollhouse, and this adorable crumpet. Here's what the dollhouse looks like, and it comes with a sushi. Then here's probably the cutest crumpet I've ever seen. Shoutouts go to the person on the screen as always. Anyways, comment down video ideas because I'm trying to post more. They can be family roleplays, single roleplays, whatever. Anyways, I appreciate you guys so much and thank you so much for all the support. I love you guys so much. Bye guys!